are you?
You said Ray, but you don't know who I'm with.
You're right, you're right. Howdy, Ray. What's your call sign?
I'm Ray Novak, N9JA with Icom America, here at the 2026 Hamvention.
Hamvention, yes, sir.
You know, that Dayton name stays in there after.
I get them so mixed up, I just say the cities. Dayton, Orlando, Huntsville, and I see a little box on the floor.
Well, it's a little bit more than a little box,
it's a
it's a bright orange.
Yes.
I don't think you're going to lose that one too easily.
No, you've been talking to American about my luggage, I see.
You were one of those, huh?
Yes.
Well, then let me stand over here, so if you're on your 5th day of the same clothes. But no, in all seriousness, this orange box is not for safety, but for high visibility.
Ooh.
For some very cool bits and pieces.
Okay, I can't wait to hear about this.
I mean, when we look at, here's layer 1.
Wait, it has multiple layers?
Layer 2 and layer 3.
Wow.
It's not as complicated as it might look. But what it is it's going to be our new 905 rental kit.
Ooh.
And what I mean by a rental kit, it's for the microwave curious clubs. You know, the one where they got that one expert, but yet he's built all of his stuff and the rest of the guys are going, no, I don't have time for that. He can be a one-in to play with them, but then they can see the 905 and see how simple microwave can be.
Sounds good. Tell me more.
So we talk about making microwave simple. I mean, the 905, part of the kit, because this is going to be something that's going to be deployable out in the field. We've got one of the wind camp cages for the 905 head. This will be everything self-contained in the package. The different dishes, and it's labeled for what goes where. The RF deck on it, and by the way, the RF deck has been operating, sending ATV over to the ARRL booth on the other side of the event.
Oh, I'm going to have to check that out.
All right, Frank, through the power of editing,
yes,
here we are mysteriously transported to the ARRL booth. Where, as you can see, we got the antennas over here, we got the nice orange bucket here, and then we got a 905. Nice. And to help with our sponsorship of the Year of the Club with the ARRL, we're showing this. This is something to help bring more club activity.
I love it. I love it. And it's just opens up the possibilities and gives people feet wet at a lower cost barrier entry to see if gigahertz is a thing for them.
Exactly. And the thing is, they don't have to go out and buy the kit themselves to experiment for the first time.
Yes.
So it's almost like the drug dealers, the first hit isn't going to cost you much. So Josh, I'm just curious, we kind of hit you up without you knowing that this was coming. Has there been any curiosity about the microwave?
There's been a little bit, and after the conversation you and I had the other day, I've got more interested in learning more about it as we move forward.
Now just think about a group, maybe out in California where there's a lot of microwave, somebody young, trekking it up to a high hit. Well, out there they're called mountains, aren't they?
Yeah.
In central part it's called hills.
Yeah.
That could activate 4 grid squares. If they were to add the 10 gig to this, that's 5 bands.
Right.
5 bands, 20 guys that are doing microwave all over. How active and how many queues do they have the potential to make in 4 grid squares?
It's really unlimited.
I'm sorry, that was math.
Yeah.
Math on screen.
And it wouldn't be that difficult.
No.
And one of the cool things about it with the D-Star, the DD mode, 128K, that's at 1.2, 2.4, and on a 5.9. So when you think about it, like field day, you want to run internet, 128K bit per second data.
Nice.
And it occupies our bands, not the commercially available off-the-shelf stuff.
Okay. So it gets out of all the noise, and you cut right through it on the hand bands.
Yes. This is pretty much it. Right now, we're in the final phases of putting everything together for it. The goal is to have it where the rental fee is $250, and it gives you 2 weekends. So as I said, we've got one here. There's one in the ARRL booth, so there's 2 kits. We're not going to do it. Both kits go to the same club, but it's to support the ARRL's Year of the Club. So we're looking at increasing activity on microwave.
Cool. And you get the 905 also with that, I assume?
Yes, sir. The 905, the control head, And the body, you'll have to provide the power supply for it.
Okay. Where can we find more information about it, and how do we try to schedule a appointment to get this box?
Well, Frank, the thing is, you have the scoop on everybody.
Uh-huh.
You're the only one that's come by, you're the only one that's noticed and asked the questions. Right now, we don't have that information available, but it will be on our website soon.
Okay. So we'll definitely keep a lookout for it, and if I see it, I'll update the video with the link below. Or
All right.
popping up there, around.
Everywhere around?
Everywhere around. Well, thank you very much, Ray. I do appreciate it.
All right, Frank, thank you for stopping by.
I love it.